Alright, so we start off by soaking the caps in sterilizer. What we do is we take the sterilizer here. You won't need much of it because it's just soaking in this pan here. But maybe 1/4 teaspoon. Put that in there. Add hot water. And add some cold water just to, so it's not too hot for the caps. And then take your caps, put them all in there, and then just make sure that all the caps get immersed and completely coated in the sterilizer so as to kill any bacteria. Alright, so what we do next is we take the sterilizer and we put it in each spoonful, or each teaspoon makes 1 gallon of sterilizing, sanitizing solution. So you add that to 2 liters of cold, add about 1 liter of hot to that, then another liter of cold, 4 liters is about 1 gallon, and then take the bottling stick and immerse it in the water. Make sure there's no air in there. And this little connector as well. Okay, so the caps are sterilizing, soaking in the sterilizer. Now I take the bottles and you fill it up with water all the way up, or most of the way up, and then we shake. These bottles have been previously washed, so make sure that there's nothing stuck to them or no sediment or anything. And then rinse all the sterilizer out, hand over, and Eamon will rinse the bottle. And rinse the outside. Make sure it's got all the sanitizer off. Alright, now that we've made sure that the specific gravity is final, we've made sure that everything is clean and sterilized, we're ready to bottle the beer. So step 1 is carefully take out the airlock. Try not to splash any of this water back into the beer. Now there will be a layer of CO2 on top of the beer that will protect it from any air coming in. Now you take one of these carbonation drops here, 1 for every 500 milliliters, then turn this tap, make sure that everything's on correctly, and then we need to purge the air out. You see a little bit of waste there. And we take the bottle. If you come down here, you should be able to see very clearly the whole bottle filling up. Much easier than with the brown Cooper's bottles. It fills quite quickly, and the volume of the stick that's in there now, if you fill right up to the top, the volume of the stick displaces the correct amount of air for the top of the bottle. You can see there, the exact right air gap. So then you take your cap, screw it on nice and tight, and then just make sure the sugar pellet gets moved around a little, and then you box these up and you store these for about 2 weeks, and then they're ready to drink.